Hey guys, how's it going? This is Enrique with Magnify. Today I wanted to make a quick tutorial about something that's been requested: how to add a video to your Constant Contact newsletters, right? I know out there's some of you guys that are Constant Contact fans. You like to use it. I even seen some kind of like Constant Contact verify expert batches out there, so we thought it would be a good idea to show you one integration with Magnify and Constant Contact, right? So here we go. So how do you add video to a campaign newsletter, right? So I created a couple of a campaign over here. We're gonna go into the campaign section, right? So all the way here, we're gonna edit. All right, so this is the campaign. You know, I just grab a template. What we're gonna do is it can be applied to anything. Obviously, Constant Contact has a video feature. You can pull a video from YouTube, from Vimeo, but let's say we don't want to do that. We want to create our GIF image thumbnail, like a little hand waving at you, something that is more appealing within my newsletter, correct? So that's what we're gonna do. Step number one, right? Let me minimize this so we have some room here. Right, I'm gonna go to my Magnify platform, right? So we're familiar with this platform already. You should be by now, right? So I'm already on my video message tool and already have a video here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this GIF file that the platform is creating for me already, and I'm gonna put it on my desktop so I can easily grab it. Now let me find another video. Oh, look, I have another one here. I'm gonna grab this one as well. Make sure you rename the files as you go along, because it's always gonna have the same name. So just put 2, 3. I'm gonna go back now to my Constant Contact, right? And I'm gonna see where would I like to place the video here, right? So we're gonna go to image, and we're gonna drag this over here. Now I'm gonna click upload image. Now I'm gonna go where the image is. So as you see, I already placing all my GIF files into my Constant Contact. I'm processing at the moment. All right, perfect. Now files are processed. Now I have all my GIF files within my Constant Contact. I'm gonna pick the first one and I'm gonna insert it. There you go. Now I'm gonna make it a little bigger, as big as I want. You know, you don't have to agree with me about sizes. You know, you can place this as big as you want. I like to take as much real estate as I can, because then in my newsletter it will look awesome. So what am I gonna do next is I have to add the link, right? So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go back to my Magnify platform, right? My Magnify platform, and I'm gonna copy this link over here, the copy URL only, the one we use for SMS. I'm gonna click here, add the link, and I'm gonna go here to web page, because I want when somebody click on it, I want them to be redirected here. Insert. So now that's ready. We're gonna now repeat the process over here. Now look at this. Now I have my amazing newsletter with as many videos as I can, and I have the gift in it, right? So preview, we're gonna preview it so you can see it. So this is how it's gonna look. So it looks really good. So now when somebody clicks on my newsletter, on the video, they get redirected to my landing page where the video is. Adding video to your newsletter using the Magnify platform is gonna make your Constant Contact newsletters looking amazing. So give it a try. Let me know what you think.